Que lo que mi gente, welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. On this episode we are making Spanish rice and gandules. Let's go over the ingredients. 2 cups of water, 2 cups of white rice, 1 can of green peas or gandules, 1 tablespoon of sofrito. For the sofrito recipe, you can click right there. 1 packet of sazon, a little bit of adobo. You also need 1 chicken cube. My pot is on high heat right now. Let's go ahead and sprinkle some olive oil. We'll put our sofrito in. Saute the sofrito for about 1 minute. So we can put our gandules in now. And our chicken cube can go in. 2 cups of water. And your packet of sazon. Sprinkle a little bit of adobo. About less than half a teaspoon, I would say. Just a tiny bit of adobo. You don't want it to be salty. Bring the water to a boil, and at that point, we'll put in the rice. We have to let all the water simmer before we lower the fire and put the lid on the pot. Hey guys, so at this point, the water is boiling. Let's go ahead and put in the rice. You want to stir the rice and the gandules. You want to make sure that the sofrito cube dissolved. I will show you guys what it looks like at this point and then what it should look like before you cover it. Now I have to let that water simmer completely until there is no water left. Once there's no water left, I am going to lower the fire to low heat and it will cook for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes into the cooking process, I'll check on it and I'll stir the rice, make sure that it cooks evenly. Hey guys, so all that water simmered. So at this point there's barely any water inside the pot. And that's what you're looking for. You want all that water to evaporate. So now that all the water evaporated, the first thing I gotta do is lower the fire from high heat to low heat. In 20 minutes, we'll come back. We'll stir the rice and make sure that it cooks evenly. The rice has been cooking for about 20 minutes. Let's see how it's doing. Stir the rice and let it cook for another 25 minutes. So I just want to make sure that it cooks evenly. Now cover it back up and it should be ready in 25 minutes. Hey guys, so it has been 25 minutes since we checked on the rice. The rice should be done at this point. And there you have it guys. Spanish yellow rice with gandules. Enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and subscribe. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.